couldn't help it. 4 barrels aren't opening up. Leaking gas like a sieve. And she got a little warm. The gas is boiling on the intake. Yeah, I couldn't help myself. Nick had put a stick in there. That must be a vacuum leak. That thing definitely needs some carburetor work. He did say, I gotta say, he did say he didn't use it after he rebuilt it, so I'll give him that. But she's got some issues. But she's wrapping pretty good. Exhaust sounds pretty good. I'll probably still get some Flow Masters or something for it, but I'll take it easy on it. I'm gonna blow it up since it ain't got no water in it. And yeah, I guess she was cooking. I threw a belt. Yeah, hard to tell where it went. Oh man. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Just wanted to show that I got a little something. Alright, thank you.